Here I have LG K22, and today I'm going to show you how to enable Do Not Disturb mode on this device. So firstly, you have to go to the upper bar, and here you have this button, Do Not Disturb. Tap on it once and you will enable this mode. You can also access some of its settings by holding your finger on it, and here you can manage for example exceptions for this mode. For example, it could be calls. You can allow calls from anyone, from contacts only, from shared contacts, or don't allow any calls. There's also an option allow repeat callers if the same person calls a second time within a 15-minute period. Allow it. The same goes for messages. You can also manage all exceptions here, for example alarms, media sounds, touch sounds, reminders, events. Here you can restrict notifications, you can restrict sound notifications, you can restrict visual sound and sound notifications, and here you have customizable notifications restriction. You can set default duration for this mode here, and you can also set a schedule for this mode. And that's it. Thanks for watching. If you find this tutorial useful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.